Hey everyone, welcome back to another new exciting video. Claude finally released their new version of Haiku, which is the Haiku 4.5. This is their latest small model, and this model beats Sonnet 4. And the interesting thing is that this model is very fast and its price is very less, $1 for the input and $5 for the output per million token. And the interesting thing is that I have tried this design inside cursor with this Claude 4.5 Haiku, and I have got amazing output from this model. And they have mentioned that Claude Haiku 4.5 is giving 73.3% accuracy and Sonnet 4.5 is giving 77.2% accuracy. Means Sonnet is 4% best than the Haiku 4.5. But the thing is that if you want the very fast speed and also if you want to get the accuracy both together, then you should definitely use this Haiku 4.5. Why? Let me show you. Here you see that I have given this design. This is the same design that I have tested with the multiple models, and where I gave the same design to this Haiku 4.5 inside cursor. Here you see that for the first iteration actually it gave me a correct prototype, but there was some issue with the layout. Okay, so these prioritized task and additional task boxes were present below this profile, but here you see that in this design these boxes are side on the right hand side of this profile. So I asked the same thing to this Haiku 4.5 that please correct the layout and see the image carefully. So after doing 3 to 4 iteration, what I have found that it has given me the correct design. And when I tested the same design with the Sonnet 4.5, I found that it gave me the correct design for the first time, and after giving the one iteration it has given me the correct design. So this is the difference between the Sonnet 4.5 and Haiku 4.5. So for Haiku 4.5 you need to give the 4 to 5 iteration, or let's say 3 to 4 iteration, but for the Sonnet 4.5 you need to give the at maximum one iteration. Okay, now you will ask me that then why should I go for this Haiku 4.5, right? Now from this benchmark you will understand that this better, and also they have just written one things. Let's see where they have written. Yes, here you see users who rely on AI for real-time low latency tasks like chat assistants, customer service agents, or pair programming will appreciate Haiku 4.5's combination of high intelligence and remarkable speed. Yes, the speed is very fast. Okay, so some days ago you remember that I discussed about this cheetah model, right? So cheetah was very fast, and if you compare this cheetah with this Haiku 4.5 also, you will get the same experience. Okay, Haiku 4.5 is very fast, and the users of Claude Code will find that Haiku 4.5 makes the coding experience. See, it is not that much bad model. Okay, this is very fast and also its intelligence is very best. Here you see that it is just 4% less than the Sonnet 4.5. So if you just want to take one iteration or two iteration extra, then I think that you should definitely go with this Haiku 4.5, because Sonnet 4.5 pricing also very high, like $3 and $15, whereas this Haiku 4.5 the pricing is only $1 and $5, means 3x lower, right? So I think you should definitely go with this Claude Haiku 4.5 for your development purpose. And this model is currently available everywhere for today. And here you see that it also opens up new ways of using our models together. For example, Sonnet 4.5 can break down a complex problem into multi-step plans, then orchestrate a team of multiple Haiku 4.5s to complete the subtasks in parallel. This is very great. Okay, and the Sonnet 4.5 released 2 weeks ago remains our frontier model, the best coding model in the world. And Haiku 4.5 gives users a new option for when they want the near frontier performance with much greater cost efficiency. So this was I was telling that if you want to get the same performance of Sonnet 4.5, you can go with the Haiku 4.5, but you need extra 2 to 3 iteration. Remember these things. So here you see that from this benchmark, um, it is beating this Sonnet 4, and also it is beating GPT-5, it is beating Gemini 2.5 Pro. So here you see that GPT-5 price is very high, right? And same as the Gemini 2.5 Pro. So I think if you compare this Haiku 4.5 with the GPT-5 and Gemini 2.5 Pro, you should definitely choose, or you should definitely prioritize this Claude Haiku 4.5. Okay. And here you see that they have given some of the information, and this model is available over the API. I think if you go to this open router also, you will find that model. Okay, let me check that. Claude, yes, Claude Haiku 4.5, this is available $1 and $5. And I will recommend you to use the official API of the Anthropic. So just go to Anthropic console and there is to the sign up and use the official API. And in that way you will get the best performance. This is my experience, so that's why I'm telling. I have tested this inside cursor because cursor have released new feature which is the browser. Here you see, and I have just already made another video on this cursor browser yesterday. Here you see, and what is the advantage? Let me show you. Here you see that when I gave this prompt to this cursor Haiku 4.5, that please see the image carefully. Here you see when I gave this. So what it has done that it has opened the website inside browser and it has taken this screenshot. Here you see, follow my cursor, takes underscore screenshot. So it has taken the screenshot from the website and it has found that yes, there was some issue. So in this way, they were able to give me the best output. So that's why I will suggest you to use the cursor, because here with this new browser feature, it will take the screenshot automatically and it will fix the bugs automatically. It will test that also automatically. Okay, so this was the things that I wanted to share with you guys. And if you're new to this channel, please make sure you subscribe this channel and please make sure you like this video if you want to get this kind of detailed explanation with transparency. And see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care.